we are. We're in a 2009 Scuderia. It's a 430 Scud. We had a very nice customer let us borrow it. The car right now has Fab Speed headers on it. It has Fab Speed 200 cell tri-metallic HES cats, BMC air filters, and it's got a custom ECU tune from EVOMSit. And we're going to give you some sound clips inside, outside as well, and then we're going to be installing cat bypass pipes and resonators, 70mm resonators for him, retuning the car and doing some track testing tomorrow at New Jersey Motorsport. Here we are at Fab Speed Motorsport. We have it's a 2009 Ferrari F430 Scuderia on the lift. The car was sent to us from a great customer in Texas. Car had Fab Speed headers and Fab Speed 200 cell tri-metallic HES race cats when the car came in, and the ECU flash done by EVOMS. Customer wanted more sound and power. So what we did was we took a set of our cat bypass pipes, spliced in some 70mm resonators. We took off the huge boat anchor factory system, which weighs about 45 pounds, replaced it with Fab Speed's new X pipe resonator system. It's a 63.5mm system, weighs about 13 pounds. So it's going to pick up some sound and power. We're going to throw the car in the dyno now and do some more tuning on it and see what we can get out of the car. We have the Scud. It's on the dyno right now. We hit 499 to the wheels and 342 foot-pounds of torque. Fab Speed Motorsport, we're all done with the 2009 F430. Right now this car runs on 109 octane. We dyno tuned it. It's got Fab Speed headers, Fab Speed cat bypass pipes with 70mm resonators, and Fab Speed's new X pipe muffler delete with resonator. Like I said, the car makes 500 horsepower to the rear wheels. The car is pretty insane. We had the car shipped up from Texas from a great customer, and we're going to give you some sound clips on time.